Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to convert a simple present tense which is in active voice to passive voice. How to change this simple present sentences into passive voice. So when we are writing passive voice, first thing we should remember a formula. Okay, this is a formula for changing simple present tense into passive voice. We should write object plus is or are plus V3 plus by plus subject. So what is the formula? Object plus is or are and am also plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay, let us analyze how to apply this. Here one example, she eats mango. She eats mango. Eats. This is V1 form, isn't it? Okay, already we learned when there is V1 format, that sentence is simple present tense. Okay, she eats mango. What is the subject here? Means who is the person responsible for that action? Okay, she is a subject. This is a subject. She is a subject. Okay, is there object or not? Yes, mango is the object. Because the action eats is passing on to mango. So mango is the object. So here we got subject and verb and object. First of all, you have to, whenever you are writing a passive voice sentences, first of all you have to see the verb. Verb in which format, in which tense it is. First thing you should know that. So now we understand eats, that is in simple present tense. Simple present tense means we have to apply which formula? Object plus is or am plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay, now let us apply object plus. What is the object? Mango is the object. So mango will be coming to the front of the or beginning of the sentence. So mango. See, mango, is it singular or plural? Mango is singular because one mango. We are discussing about one mango. So mango, since it is singular, we have to write is. If it is mangoes, if there is mangoes, we have to write up. Mango is. Next one is around, that part is on. Next one is V3. V3 of which verb? Eat. Eat. Ate. Eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Okay, what is the V3 form? Eaten is the V3 form. Always we have in passive voice, always we have to write V3 form only. Mango is eaten by whom? Subject will come there. By whom? By she. She means we don't write she. By her. Okay, mango is eaten by her. So object plus is or are am plus V3 plus by plus subject. So this is she eats mango is an active voice sentence and mango is eaten by her is an active voice, passive voice sentence. Many people get confused what is active voice and what is passive voice. See, the person who is responsible for doing that action, if is in the beginning of the sentence, we call it as active voice. Say she is responsible for doing that one. So she is in the beginning of the sentence. So this is active voice. But the object is coming to the beginning. Now object became the subject of the sentence. Now this object became the subject of this sentence. So we are giving importance for object now. This type of sentence will be called as passive voice. Okay, now let us see the next example. They speak Tamil. They speak Tamil. So where is the verb? Speak is the verb. In which format it is? It is in V1 format. Okay, when there is V1 format, which formula we have to apply? Object plus is or am plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay, what is the subject here? They. Subject means what? The person who is responsible for doing that job. And what is the object? Tamil is the object. This is the object. Because that verb is passed on to Tamil. So here, this is the subject, verb and object. What is the formula? Object plus is Ram plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay, let us take object Tamil. Tamil. Okay, is it singular or plural? Plural. It is singular. So Tamil is, what is the V3 form of speak? Speak, spoke, spoken. Is spoken by they, means them, by them. Okay. Okay, now let us see the next case. I drink milk. I drink milk. What is a verb? Drink is a verb. In which format it is? It is in V1 format. So simple present tense it is. So when there is V1, which formula we have to apply? Object plus is Ram plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay. So what is the subject? I is the subject. This is the subject. And what is the object? Milk is the object. Okay. So milk, object plus milk is singular, is, milk is, drink, drink, drank, drunk. Milk is drunk by, I should be changes to me, by me, by me. Okay. Next, Mrs. Beena teaches us English. Okay. In this case, you see, there is little bit difference between these sentences and this one. In Mrs. Beena teaches us English, Mrs. Beena is a subject. Okay, there is no doubt in that. Mrs. Beena is a subject. And teaches is a verb. Okay, teaches is the verb. Then here, there are two objects. See, us and English. So, when there are two objects, one object is called as direct object and the another one is called as indirect object. Mostly the person will be called as indirect object. This is indirect object. And this is direct object. Okay, then how we have to convert, how can we write how both this object should come in the sentence? Whether we have to start from this direct object or whether we have to start from the indirect object. That either we can start with the direct object or with the indirect object. Okay, we can write both sentences. Both are right. I will show you. So I am starting with English first. English, I have taken English. English. Okay, singular. So object plus is English is. What is a verb? Teaches is a verb. So teach, taught, taught. The V3 form of teach is taught. English is taught. To whom teaching? To us. English is taught to us. Okay, that two objects came now. By whom? By Mrs. Beena. Okay, if I am starting with this one, us, if I am taking this indirect object as the subject first, how we have to write? Us will be changed as we. Okay, we. We is singular or plural? We is plural. So, when there is plural, we have to use are. We are. Okay, we are plus V3 form. Taught. We are taught. With subject English. We are taught English by Mrs. Beena. Okay, when there is direct object and indirect object, you can start with a direct object or you can start with an indirect object. There is no problem in that. Okay, in the coming video we will discuss the other tenses also. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.